look at what arrived today. It was first thing this morning. Like, we usually don't get mail till late in the afternoon, so like it arrived and I was like, wait, what? But look at this beautiful wrapping paper. This is awesome. I'm gonna have to save this and do something with it. I don't know, but it's gorgeous. And I think most of you can recognize what this is. Plus, I'm sure some of you have seen some of the content out already. But I haven't even opened this yet. This is tape. Tape's still intact, and I'm gonna do my best to take this off without tearing anything. Ooh, actually, you know what we should do? Let's grab a knife here, and we will carefully cut off the tape here. So there we go. A little bit there, and a little bit there, and a little bit there. Ta-da! Perfect. All right. First look, I'm doing it here with you. Oh, it's so pretty. Look, it's the goodies. Okay, I do my funny voices when I get excited about things. All right, so first things first. If it wasn't obvious, this is from Johanna. And I think we can all guess what this is, considering the blue paper. So super exciting. But first things first, we have some Staedtler pigment liners. It's got the pencil, the sharpener, eraser, everything you need to get your drawing done. Oh, we have a nice little circular motif card here. That is so pretty. Okay, other side. To Emily, here is your daily dose of creativity. Should you ever need prompting, sending much love to you and yours, Johanna. Oh, that is so nice. I love these. I always save these cards. Absolutely love them. Okay, then we have the Staedtler 24 Supersoft color pencils. Love these. Staedtler is so good. I love the Staedtler brand stuff. If anybody watched the recent video with Johanna, you can hear us gushing about the Staedtler products. Love, love, love. Okay, look at the little sticker. Oh, that is adorable. Okay, I want to carefully, I don't want to rip the sticker either. Let's see, can I do this without ripping the sticker? Also, I don't want to damage the book. Here we go. Let's go ahead, see if we can. There you go. I like to save it all. Is that weird that I like to save it all? I don't know. There we go. There we go. Okay. All right, let's turn it over on this side. I can see the book. Oh, look at how pretty that is. So pretty. And that blue. Oh, gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Okay, here, let's flip this over. Oh, love this paper. There we go. Same kind of blue on there. So awesome. All right, so I know most of you have seen a flip through, but I haven't seen it in person yet. So let's do this. Let's do this together. All right. So we have Johanna Basford, 30 Days of Creativity. Now, last time we got a book early on, I had some people that were disappointed that I didn't wait till everybody else got their book. So I'm going to start this with explaining the reason behind receiving an early copy is so that you guys can all see it beforehand and decide if it is indeed something you want to pre-order, although I highly recommend it. But also it, it lets you so that there's already tutorials out if you want to see them. So it's just, pre-information. All right, so we have this book flap. These are super nice, small little motifs here. 30 Days of Creativity. Oh, look at that. Got my name in it and everything. Oh, there's those little robots we talked about. Oh my gosh, those are so cute. So cute. Introduction. All right, here we go. This book is for anyone who wants to kickstart their creativity. Maybe you loved art at school but don't know how to get back into it. Or maybe you used to draw and paint, then somehow the passion just slipped away from you. Or maybe you create every day but you want a fresh new challenge to fire up those creative muscles. Well, this is the book for you. Within these pages, I'll ask you to join me in a creative task each day for 30 days. You can either work through the pages in numerical order or hop around and pick a task that tickles your fancy. A bit like an inky choose-your-own-adventure story. It's that simple. There are 15 coloring pages and 15 drawing or doodling pages. Don't worry if you do not finish the page. The only requirement is that you spend a minimum of 10 minutes on each task. The challenge is not to complete a creative work of art every day just to begin one. Often getting started with a new healthy habit is tricky, but you don't have to finish a masterpiece or dedicate hours each day. Your goal should be achievable and fun. But if you find yourself in flow and want to go beyond the minimum, please do. At the end of 30 days, a small daily dose of creativity will be the norm for you. You'll know how easy it is to pick up a pen or pencil and do something small and achievable, yet good for the soul. You'll have experienced the positive effects a regular creative practice can have on your mood and well-being. Most important, perhaps, you'll have adopted a new mindset, one that says, yes, I'm a creative person. So shall we begin? Oh, that's nice. I love that. And then there's all the tips here. Habit trackers, so that's good. Art supplies, it gives a list of everything you'll need. So pencils, pens, erasers, sharpener, coloring pencils. Other bits and bobs that aren't essential but nice to have. Compass, protractor, ruler, squared paper, tracing paper, extra drawing paper, gel pens, blender pen, or pencil. I love this. Oh, look at all of these. I mean, like I said, I know we flipped through it with her on her live, but it's so different. Oh, look at the little buttered and toast and honey. Oh, I love it. So much. Love the spherical motifs. It's like you can do the same, so like mirror image, or I guess, what do they call it? Quadratic image, the same in every corner. The flowers, I'm going to have to color some of this today. And the shells, you can add your own art supplies. Love it. So like for your 10 minutes, you could just do one single shelf. It's awesome. Progress, not perfection. Love that. Love the sweet treats. I'm probably just going to say I love a lot of this book. An inky botanical sphere. Yes. I love the pencils. Oh, these are the things we saw on the book flap. I think these ones are probably my favorite. I might need to color one of these today. Little hot air balloons, up and away. Cakes page. Oh, that's right. That lemon cake recipe will be in here. I'll need to make that. Do more of what makes you happy. Oh, love the little hearts. Ah, the little small Lost Ocean ones. Love those. Flower pots and baskets. The robots. Little Steve will probably like the robots. Little baking stuff. Love that. Every child is an artist. Here we go. The lemon butter cake. Okay, yeah, I'm totally gonna have to make this. Let's see, 3/4 cups of butter, sugar. I love this. Okay, I gotta get some lemons. Okay, that's awesome. Baking illustrations on the previous page as an inspiration for your own delicious doodles. Ooh, I gotta think of what recipe I want to add there. Stamps. Love this. Doodles that are inspired by my life. Oh, look at the little coloring book. Wait, is that this one or was that one? I wonder if that's how to Ivy and the Inky Butterfly, maybe? What's the one with the little balloon in it? I'll have to go back and look. Or maybe How to Draw Inky Wonderlands. Snow globe. Ooh, if you guys watched my interview with Johanna, I colored this page. Little ice creams. Inspire, not intimidate. Ugh, love these so much. Oh, I can't wait to get started. Love the repeat. Little soaps and shampoos. Another circular motif. Kites. Go outside the lines. Oh, these are so good. Lanterns, pencils. Simple floral frame. Love it. And the end. You did it. Congratulations on completing the 30 days of creativity challenge. Well, I haven't done it yet, but color test page, and then another color test page, and the back flat. Oh my gosh, this is going to be so much fun. All right, well, the links for everything is going to be in the description below. Keep an eye out. We're going to be coloring some of this later this week on our live stream. So keep an eye out. We'll do some of this together. It should be super fun. Johanna, thank you for this opportunity to try out this book and share it with everyone. And yeah, this is super exciting. All right, I'm gonna go dive in. All right, everyone, have a great rest of your day. And when you get this book, tag me. Let me know what your favorite page is. All right, everyone, I'll chat with you later. Bye.